got here. Pedal commander. Help with that throttle response a little bit. And go ahead and get this installed later on tonight. Let's go ahead and get this pedal commander unboxed and see what we have here. Of course, the instruction manual. Pedal box. There's the plugs to go into each port. And the mounting kit. We're going to get that installed and see how it looks. Alright, so what we're going to do is go ahead and take this piece from up under here. It's a little cloth piece up under here. We're going to pop that down. There's some little push pins that you can pop out to get it down. It'll give you the easiest access to the throttle here, because we're going to need to get in up under there to unplug everything. As you can see, we was able to get that piece down. So what we're going to do now is unplug the throttle here and then reconnect the pedal commander. Alright, so as you can see, we got the cables mounted up there. Both brackets are installed. I went ahead and ran the wire along the side. I haven't quite decided where I want to mount the bracket kit just yet. So what I did right now, I just laid the pedal commander up here so I can get to it. And we'll go ahead and put these pieces back up and then we're all done for the most part. Alright, so we got a pedal commander here. As you can see, it's got 4 modes: Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus. And then it's got 4 settings for each mode. So say for Sport Plus, you can go up +4 or down +4. The higher you go, the more responsive the throttle is. The lower you go, the less sensitive it is. If you put it in Eco, that's the less sensitive. City will give you a little bit of boost, but not too much. Sport will still keep it with that. Yeah, video got interrupted a little bit, but Sport will keep it with that sporty feel, give you a little bit of throttle power. You know, it's probably the one I'll ride around on a daily basis. A Sport Plus, that'll have you jerking back in your seat, so just be prepared. Especially in something like a Scatpack or a Hellcat, it's going to be pretty significant when you hit your throttle. So I wouldn't suggest riding it around town with that one, but it'd probably be great for the highway, especially when you're trying to race somebody on a rolling start maybe. But we're going to go ahead and hit the highway in a few minutes and test this thing out and see how much we like it. Stay tuned. So right now we're in Sport Plus, all the way turned up.